This is the call parking module found underneath call control, call parking. There's a quick hint to tell you how to use it. Essentially, a parking lot is a series of individual extensions that you can put people on hold inside of. They're like holding lines that are separate from your actual phone lines. Let's go ahead and add a new lot, and we'll call it extension 800, and we'll call it receptionist parking 1. Now, the number of slots is the number of people you can have on hold in this particular parking lot. You can have as many as you want. Timeout to ring back, that is basically how much time the caller has to be on hold before ringing back to the receptionist that parked them. In this case, the caller is going to wait 4 minutes. If in 4 minutes their call has not been picked up by somebody in the company, it will ring back to the receptionist. And then of course you can set the music on hold album as they're sitting there listening. We'll go ahead and hit submit. You'll see here that there is a base extension for a parking lot. However, these are not used. What is useful are these lot numbers. So we just set up extension 800 with 4 lots. That's 801, 802, 803, and 804. Now, if a customer calls in and your receptionist takes the call, she can transfer the call to extension 801 through 804 and then announce the call to everyone saying, XYZ, you currently have a call on extension 802. All he has to do is pick up the phone, dial 802, and that call is now his. In addition to simply doing transfers and pickups like that, within the provisioning section, you can actually assign buttons on the phones to act as BLF fields for parking and unparking calls visually. There is a separate video about that in the provisioning section. As always, when you're finished, make sure to hit apply changes so that the software saves your changes.